Salam, خوبین? Today I'm gonna show you how to express more intricate ideas in Persian.
We have been working with the basic Persian word order since Unit 1, and by now you have a good grasp on how it works. You remember that in Persian we begin our sentences with the subject, end them with the verb, and anything else goes in between. Now let's have a quick review of what we have created using our basic word order. من سارا هستم. تو خواهر داری؟ اون توی ایران زندگی میکنه. ما توی دانشگاه کار میکنیم. شما ساعت چند میخوابین؟ اونا خیلی زود بیدار میشن. من توی خونه شام میخورم. As you can see, we're starting all our sentences with the subject. We're ending them with the verb, and everything else goes in between. Now it's time to expand our basic sentence construction to express more complex ideas in Persian. There are two simple rules you need to remember here. Rule number 1. In Persian, time goes before place. So if we want to say, I eat dinner at home during the week, we begin with the time during the week, in Persian, در طول هفته, and then we add the place at home. In Persian, توی خونه. So we would say من در طول هفته توی خونه شام میخورم. And if we want to say I eat out on the weekend, first we use آخر هفته on the weekend, and then we add بیرون out. من آخر هفته بیرون شام میخورم. Rule number 2. When it comes to expressing time in Persian, we normally go from general to specific. This means that we lead with the more general time frame and follow by a specific time within that frame. For example, if we want to say, I eat dinner at 7 during the week, we lead with our general time frame during the week, در طول هفته, and we follow by 7 o'clock, ساعت 7, which is a specific part of that time frame. So we would say من در طول هفته ساعت 7 شام میخورم. Similarly, if we want to say I eat dinner at 9 on the weekend, we begin with our general time frame again, which here is آخر هفته, and then we add the more specific time expression, ساعت 9. And we would say من آخر هفته ساعت 9 شام میخورم. Alright, now let's put our knowledge into practice. And remember that time goes before place, and we move from general to specific in Persian. So if we want to say, I eat lunch at work during the week, we would start with the time and follow by the place, and would say, من در طول هفته سر کار ناهار میخورم. Following the same rule, if we want to say, I don't eat dinner at home on the weekend, we would say, من آخر هفته توی خونه شام نمیخورم. And where do you eat lunch and dinner on the weekend would be, تو آخر هفته کجا ناهار و شام میخوری؟ And for don't you eat dinner at home on the weekend, we would have تو آخر هفته توی خونه شام نمیخوری؟ So time goes before place. Now with the same rule in mind, how can we say she eats breakfast at a cafe during the week? We would say اون در طول هفته توی کافه صبحونه میخوره. And how can we say he doesn't have lunch at work on the weekend? We would say اون آخر هفته سر کار ناهار نمیخوره. Now, how can we say we eat dinner at 7 during the week? And remember, when expressing time, we normally move from general to specific. ما در طول هفته ساعت 7 شام میخوریم. We eat lunch at 2 on the weekend. ما آخر هفته ساعت 2 ناهار میخوریم. What time do you eat breakfast during the week? شما در طول هفته ساعت چند صبحونه میخورین؟ When do you have lunch on the weekend? شما آخر هفته کی ناهار میخورین؟ They eat breakfast at 8 during the week. اونا در طول هفته ساعت 8 صبحونه میخورن. When do they have lunch and dinner on the weekend? اونا آخر هفته کی ناهار و شام میخورن؟
Perfect. Now you know how to work with the extended word order. Have fun with your Persian and see you soon.